Hi, welcome to our demonstration of our latest Peoplegeist update, our add-in for Excel. In this video, we show you how we can analyze manufacturing text, downtime comments, maintenance documentations right within Excel and get automatically created Pareto charts and automatically categorized maintenance documentation. It's a slimmed down version of our full SaaS solution. However, it's very easy to use and you can use it right in your Excel to get a preview or get an idea about what our technology can do for you. So as you can see, we have an Excel right in front of you, right in front of us. And this Excel contains some typical maintenance and downtime comments. You see here a line, the machine, when it happened, and the comment by the operator or by the maintenance engineer. These comments here are German and English mixed. We scroll down a little bit and we go here for English comments. And here in Excel, you see we have the option here of add-ins. In add-ins, there are a lot of different plugins, so to say, that you can add to your Excel. I have already selected our one, the Peoplegeist TextAI, with which you can use to analyze these texts. I click on the icon, and extension loads on the side. You see first a little bit introduction, what the AI does for you, what it can do for you. I mentioned briefly, it creates Pareto charts for you, so you automatically get an idea what are the main drivers and what are the main issues mentioned in these texts. You can also get the categorization. So you get all the texts listed next to them, the category to which they belong. So for instance, this one is about alignment of the rails. This one is about date issues, etc. If you're not sure what you're getting, you can always click here, see sample output, click that, and you get a preview of an output not based on your data, but on generic demonstration data. But let's not do that. Let's go directly into analysis. Let's click here, start analysis. You first have to select the data range that you would like to analyze. So in our case here, I select I want to analyze the labeler data. You see here the selection updated. You can specify a language you want to, or it detects it automatically. If you have very short text, it makes sense to manually say what language you use. It helps the AI a little bit. In our case, these texts are long enough. It's English, so the AI will automatically detect it. And also, if you have mixed texts from different locations or different people speaking different languages, then the mixed is also a good option. But once you selected the data range, you just click Start Analysis. You see here 40 lines in analysis. Analysis runs now. In the meantime, you can do something else in the meantime. You don't have to wait, but you shouldn't close the window. You can minimize it, but you shouldn't close it. Since this is just an Excel add-in, we don't save any data. The data remains in your Excel. That's also why it takes longer than the main web version that we offer. The main web version we offer does this all basically in real time, especially for the text or nothing for the main version. But since we do not store anything, we analyze everything just in time within your Excel. It takes a bit longer. So the analysis is finished. And you see now here a preview of analysis. You see here the first top 20 categories of the text. So you hear labels without glue, weight issue, date update issue, ball bearing not rotating. This is a preview of all the topics that are mentioned in these texts. You can filter for problems, maintenance actions. Let's say I want to see only the maintenance actions that have been taken in these texts. So I see here all the different things that have been documented. But you go back to no filter to have everything. If this is if it's too broad, or you want to you want to have broader categories, you can use this level here to make the analysis broader or finer. But the default value is usually a good value. This you can use once after you save the analysis and you want to do deeper analysis. You can use this level to play around. So if you're happy with the preview, you just click Finish and Save. The data has been now, the analysis has been now copied to Excel. You see the full charts, not just the preview version, your full version with all the topics. And if you move the graph around, you also see now here all the categories have been detected. If you scroll over there, you see here which category is the biggest or has been mentioned in the text the most frequently. You also see now the concrete texts that have been detected in the texts. So this category here, ball bearing, not rotating, there are a lot of different phrasing or different ways to express it found in the original comments of the operators. Here you see labels without glue, all different ways of expressing the same issue. So the TextAI detects not only the problems in the text, it will also say, oh, these are actually similar, if not the same. Let's group it together and say this is all part of this labels without glue group. If you scroll down, you see an X, and this is an X to mark in this text. This text here is part of this category. So if you want to check what did the software do, is this group actually correct? You basically just go down, see where the X's are, and you can see the original texts. And you can say, oh yeah, that belongs to the group or not. So you can double check what you do. You can also use this information now to run your own analysis, your own charts, etc. Once you finish with it, you want to do another analysis, just here click New Analysis. You come back to the mainstream, you can go to your sheets, you can select another data range again, run the analysis, and do this multiple times. As mentioned, this version is a condensed version than the full application that we offer. We hope it helps you gain some insights from your texts. It is not as quick and not as capable as the full version, but I hope it allows you to gain first insights and see what the TextAI can do for your manufacturing operation. Thanks a lot for watching this video.